It's time to learn about brush mode. This tool is great for allowing students to show their creative side, or if you prefer to structure it, this can be used as an art lesson. To get started, bring up the feature menu. From there, open brush mode. There are two different options, watercolor or oil painting. Watercolor is thicker brush strokes, allowing a more art-style creation, whereas oil painting is where you can combine and layer colours to create paintings with more defined detail. And that's how to use brush mode on your flip.